Welcome back to Future Drive, the channel where we explore the machines shaping the future of speed, performance, and adventure. Today, we're diving into something that snowmobile fans have been waiting for, the all-new 2027 Polaris TX 440. This machine isn't just an update, it's a statement from Polaris that the lightweight performance class is far from done. The TX 440 returns with sharper engineering, smarter tech, and a ride that's built to dominate both trail and track. At first glance, the 2027 Polaris TX 440 looks aggressive and purpose-built. The body design is compact, aerodynamic, and clearly inspired by Polaris racing DNA. Every line feels intentional, reducing drag while improving airflow across the chassis. The LED lighting setup gives it a modern edge, improving night visibility while adding a bold visual signature that stands out in deep snow or low-light conditions. This is a snowmobile that looks fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood is where the TX 440 really earns its reputation. Polaris has refined the 440cc two-stroke engine to deliver crisp throttle response and consistent power across the RPM range. The engine is lightweight but punchy, making it perfect for riders who want quick acceleration without sacrificing control. Polaris engineers focused on efficiency as well, ensuring smoother power delivery and improved fuel usage compared to previous generations. Whether you're blasting down a straight trail or carving through tight corners, the engine feels responsive and alive. The chassis on the 2027 TX 440 is another major highlight. Built on an advanced lightweight platform, it offers excellent rigidity while keeping overall weight low. This balance makes the sled incredibly agile, allowing riders to flick it through corners with confidence. The improved rider positioning enhances control and reduces fatigue on longer rides, which is a huge win for both competitive riders and weekend enthusiasts. Suspension performance has also been taken up a notch. Polaris equipped the TX 440 with a refined front and rear suspension system that absorbs bumps effortlessly while maintaining stability at high speeds. On rough trails, the sled stays planted and predictable, and when pushed hard, it delivers a controlled, confidence-inspiring ride. This setup makes the TX 440 feel equally comfortable on groomed trails and more aggressive terrain. Handling is where this snowmobile truly shines. The steering is precise and direct, giving riders a strong connection to the snow beneath them. The track design provides excellent grip, ensuring strong acceleration and dependable braking performance. Even in challenging conditions, the TX 440 remains stable, allowing riders to focus on the thrill of the ride rather than fighting the machine. Polaris didn't forget about technology either. The 2027 TX 440 features a modern digital display that provides essential ride information at a glance, including speed, RPM, and engine diagnostics. The interface is clean and easy to read, even with gloves on. This smart integration of technology enhances the riding experience without overcomplicating things. Comfort plays a big role in this model as well. The seat design offers solid support while allowing freedom of movement, and the handlebars are positioned for natural control. Heated grips and refined ergonomics ensure that riders stay comfortable even in cold, demanding conditions. Polaris clearly designed this machine to be ridden hard, but also ridden often. Now let's talk numbers. The 2027 Polaris TX 440 comes with an estimated price tag of around $10,999, making it a competitive option in the Performance 440 class. For what it offers, lightweight construction, refined power delivery, advanced suspension, and modern technology, the value is hard to ignore. To wrap it up, the 2027 Polaris TX 440 is a powerful reminder that smaller displacement snowmobiles can still deliver massive excitement. It's fast, agile, and engineered with precision, making it an excellent choice for riders who crave performance without compromise. If you're looking for a snowmobile that blends racing spirit with everyday rideability, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Future Drive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more future-focused machines, and let us know in the comments, would you ride the 2027 Polaris TX 440?